Multi-touch emails within Business allows its users to go and create multi-touch emails for either themselves or for their customers, vendors, opportunities, or sales orders. So for example, from here we can go into customers and click on the multi-touch email link. And from here we can see those that pertain to us. So for example, since I'm the owner, these are the ones that I currently have in the system that I have created. And I can see from who it's going to be sent to, what company they are from, the created date, the multi-touch email campaign name itself, the subject to that, and also the last email sent. Now, information to grab from here is you can go and press on the link for last email sent, and what that'll do is show you the message log. So from here we can see which multi-touch campaign was sent out from, the recipient, and the subject. Going back to this page, we can also click into the contact itself, to the company as well, and to that campaign to see what exactly is going into this multi-touch email. So for example, we can have multiple different subjects from here. We can choose whether or not we want them to be sent automatically, wait however many days to send a message. We can also delete them if we didn't want some. But as you can see, you have options here to either go and save as a template or create a copy. Now, going back to this page, we can go and either take out our name, put someone else's, or we can just leave it blank and view all the other multi-touch emails within the system that are queued up. So as we can see, we have some from Joe Harmon, some from Steven Snyder, Trinity Peterson, and so forth. So from here, we're able to go and actually click on View by the checkbox. We can go all the way to the bottom of this. And from here, we have options of whether or not we want to send the selected emails or skip the selected emails. But also to keep in mind that we can do this straight from either the complete icon or the snooze icon, or we can choose to skip from here as well. From the queue, we can also add a campaign. So from here, we can click on Add Campaign, and we can choose the name of it. So for example, let's say this is going to be New Business. So we can go and click on here to select our recipients. So we can choose whether it will be opportunities or sales orders, vendors, or customers. We also have options underneath customers and vendors to sort by the primary contact or the contacts filtered by category if we would like those options. If not, for example, opportunities also has contact related to the opportunity, and sales orders will have the same, contact related to the sales order. So for example, if we wanted to do opportunities itself, we can choose this, choose the contact related to the opportunity, click Next, choose any additional features if necessary. As the filters, we can do opportunity status, opportunity category, and so forth. So if we wanted to say the opportunity status was both open, needs quote, and quoted, we can click Next, see how many options we have, and in this option we have 39 opportunities. Great, so we'll go and click Next. And now that we have our recipients, the next thing that we can do is choose who the from is, whether it's myself or someone else, which I can change. The message type itself, so let's say this is going to be a marketing message type, and then I can click Next. So from here, what I'm able to do is go and see whether or not I want this message to be sent automatically, whether I want this to have a recurring setting. And if I do want this to have a recurring setting, I do have options that I need to choose. This will recur every however amount of days. If there's a trigger message, which one would it be? Days to wait after the trigger message was sent, and so forth. So we do have the options to make multi-touch emails recurring. We can attach surveys, quizzes, assessments, or forms to the email. We can choose a subject, which is required, and also a body. Now the body of this email does have merge fields so that we can make it more relatable and personable to the contacts or the opportunities or however it may be. So we can choose those. For example, first name, middle name, primary phone number, the user's signature, the opportunity assigned to, and so forth. So we do have these options available to us to create these email messages. Once we've created that message, we can go and add more messages, and we can change the order of them if need be. Do keep in mind, if you do have messages that are sent to be automatic, they will not have the option to switch them around. They would have to have a trigger message. Therefore, they would have to stay in that order.